Welcome to Hearing First Hinckley. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of earwax removal using microsuction. If you're looking for expert ear care, you've come to the right place. Earwax buildup can be uncomfortable and affect your hearing. Our clinic in Hinckley specializes in safe and effective ear cleaning solutions. We use advanced microsuction techniques to ensure a thorough and gentle removal of earwax. Located conveniently at House Health Clinic, 3 Burbage Rd, Burbage, Hinckley LE10 2TR, United Kingdom, we offer the best ear care services in the region. Our team of qualified professionals is dedicated to providing you with top-notch care. Booking an appointment with us is easy. Simply visit our website at https://www.hearingfirst.co.uk/locations/hearing-first-hinckley-ear-wax-removal-using-microsuction/ or give us a call at +44 8001337987. We are committed to making your experience as comfortable as possible. Microsuction is a preferred method for earwax removal because it is quick, effective, and minimizes discomfort. Our specialists use specialized equipment to gently suction out the wax, ensuring your ears are clean and your hearing is restored. Whether you need a routine ear cleaning or have a significant wax buildup, our clinic is equipped to handle all your needs. We pride ourselves on being the best earwax clinic in Hinckley, offering reliable and professional services. Don't let earwax affect your quality of life. Book your appointment with Hearing First Hinckley today and experience the best in ear care. Our friendly team is here to help you achieve optimal hearing health. In addition to earwax removal, we also offer a range of other hearing services. Feel free to ask us about our comprehensive hearing assessments and personalized treatment plans. Your hearing health is our priority. Thank you for choosing Hearing First Hinckley. Watch the full video to learn more about our services and see the microsuction process in action. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on ear care and hearing health.